What's up, guys? We're back in the valley for another race day. I mean, it is the second weekend now that we've had the old 434 back in the car. Last weekend, Saturday, was able to pick up the W. First time back with the 434, and we're able to get the win, but definitely had my share of lucky passes that day. I'm not denying that. Hopefully today I can tighten up my performance just a little bit. Couple that with the 434, which just seems to be printing tickets, realistic. I mean, I love that thing. It's so deadly consistent. So hopefully we can turn on some more wind lights tonight. It's Saturday. It's a beautiful day. I mean, there is some clouds in the sky, so I'm hoping we don't get rain down out here, but you know, the temperature is like 76. Couldn't ask for anything better out here. We got some raindrops out here. Not sure if we're gonna get this race in today. We've had one qualifying hit so far. It didn't go too great for me. I don't know why. I must have really smacked a tree hard because I was 14 red, and then I broke out by 1,000. Oh no, squirt gun time. Hey, which squirt gun do I get? I can't have one? That's not fair. Well, then you can't squirt me. No, not if I don't get a gun. I get one of the guns. Come here, give me one. Pick one to give to Dad. Which gun do I get? All right, squirt gun's got me winded. Time for second round qualifying. Door cars or dragsters better?
Door cars.
Oh, really?
Yes. And dragsters.
And dragsters?
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. You know, here's a repeat problem that I always run into racing down here at the valley into these late night Saturday races. Yo, what was that?
You forgot to do something on my board.
Oh, you need me to draw you something?
Yeah.
Okay, be right there. But how do you control the dew on your visor? Like the visor, it gets so foggy and I don't know what to clean it with or what to do. I don't know what to do because there's so much dew. Any tips, leave them down in the comment section below. I'd love to know what you guys try to do to combat the dew situation on the visors. They're calling us already. So I was able to get by first round tonight, which is, whew, man, that it feels good just getting by first round. Feels good. Was 005 on the tree, was feeling real satisfied with that. And tell you what, got down there and I just bailed. I knew that I hogged up the stripe, but you know, when you bail so hard, it's like, what's the point of really tightening it up and giving that opportunity of actually like maybe giving the stripe back? So I knew that I had dumped a pile. I dumped like 10 mile an hour. Felt pretty good about that. So moving on to second round, and the old man got a W2, so let's keep it going. Heading up for fourth round, and in a situation right now where I'm not sure what to dial because I'm pretty sure a 60 foot fell off like almost 1.5 on that last pass, and if it does that again, there's no way she's running anywhere near that 12 ahead on the window. So probably gonna dial it up 1, but unfortunately gotta race someone that's faster than me this time, I think. So I'll be looking backwards. Really wish I could be dialed honest, but I'm not sure what honest is right now. So that's where we're sitting. Fourth round coming up. Break hard. He breaks out by 9 thought so hard about it, and I'm just such a wussy that I didn't freaking do it. I don't know why I have that button. I'm always too scared to push it. Bump up.
How red were you?
4. Dang it! I should have hit it! I should have hit the button! Some not so bad things happened today. I mean, went to another final round, did not get it done, and I'll tell you what, I'm kind of disappointed about that because I went 4th thou red, and I was thinking so hard about hitting the bump up button, and I'm such a wussy that I don't hit it. I don't know why I have the thing. I'm always like over analyzing the situation, and I don't have time to hit that button. It's like you gotta be so quick. There's like literally no time at all to decide like, oh, how did that light feel? It's like there's, I don't know how those guys do it. I don't know how you guys out there who are bumping up, bumping down, I can't seem to get that figured out. But I know that time I was really, really thinking about it. It's like, man, maybe I should hit that bump up, and that would have probably got me that final round. But I'll tell you what, it's just so awesome to be going some rounds. I mean, relatively speaking to how this year has gone, tonight was a phenomenal night. And check this out. Another good thing happened. Thanks to Tim McVeigh for this phenomenal koozie. Have you seen this thing? Look at that. That's like a vinyl cut printed thing, and it has the tiniest letters that say Premier Bracket Racing Channel. That thing is amazing. And on the back side, dead nuts. So thank you, Tim, for that amazing koozie. Should probably get some of those up on the swag shop. Speaking of the swag shop, make sure you check out the GulfstarTV.com and visit the swag shop. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you go ahead and check out the GulfstarTV.com swag shop. If you buy merchandise off it there, it's just one way that you can help support this channel and help support the creation of more videos. So if you're into this kind of thing and you want to try and support the channel and get some more videos up there, go ahead and check out that swag shop. There's all kinds of awesome stuff on there. And I'll tell you what, thanks, Tim. This koozie made my day. Alright, I'm going to wrap it up for this one. It's kind of late right now. We're going to hit the hay. We got to go racing tomorrow. So definitely make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.